it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. I just unhooked the 7600 from the baler. So while I was busy VTing, Travis was out baling. We didn't get all of our corn stalks made, so Travis went down to where he lives and he baled up some stalks down there. Now there's about 8 loads or so. So Travis took the Bobcat down and I just unhooked the 7600 from the baler. I'm gonna take that down and get the bale carrier, and we're gonna start hauling in some bales. So I got my co-pilot in the tractor already with me. Let's head on down, hook up to the bale carrier, and start moving some bales. Oh no, Rocket, you got all them wires on you. What's the matter? Notice that Travis got some chisel plowing done. He did that last night after he got done round baling, and he said that he didn't have too many problems with it. I know that someone else we know had some issues with the frost because he kept on breaking the shanks on his chisel plow. But ours has spring resets, so if they have some issues, then they'll bounce back. But you usually don't want to be out there chisel plowing when it's doing that. So I'm hooked up to the bale mover now. We're going back, straight back at this farm. He said he got about 80 bales off of this, which is a decent amount. Like I said before, we did already bale some fodder bales, but it's not nearly enough. We were worried that we weren't going to be able to get any more made, so we would have had to kind of portion out how many bales we were feeding at a time, but we like to have plenty so then we can feed them as the cows need them for bedding. We're gonna need the 4-wheel drive for this. Come on, baby. So if you'll notice, we are using the bale tines today. The reason we're using the tines rather than the pallet forks is that with the tines, it allows us to throw an extra bale on top on the bale carrier. With the pallets, it's a little bit more difficult to unstack them. I actually got the pallet tines at the farm day this year. Someone brought them with them and asked if I was interested, and I bought it from them on the spot. bale carrier is a similar story. It's kind of funny. A lot of the things that we buy are usually on the spot, not really planned out, because that's usually when the best deals can be found, really just randomly. I honestly wasn't even planning on buying Big Red until I got the offer and I checked it out and it seemed like a good deal. But the bale carrier, we rented a farm a couple years ago that we made a lot of grass bales on, and Travis saw it sitting in the shed and he asked the owner if he was interested in selling it, and the owner was like, sure, why not? So it really helped us out that year because we were moving a lot of grass bales from that farm and it was just sitting in the shed. The landowner said that the bale carrier actually was in the shed that it was in when it was on fire, so it got a little bit of heat exposure to it. The rims were bad, so we had to replace the rims, but otherwise it's been a pretty good bale carrier to us. You can see some of that right there. That's a result from being exposed to heat. It should be painted, but I don't know, still works pretty good. It's reliable. So we're gonna head out and get another load. That's one of the prettiest sunsets I've seen in quite some time. And he's off. There were some deer down at the bottom of this field, so I let Rocket out and he chased after them for about 100 feet. I think he had flashbacks to that time that he actually caught up to one and he didn't know what to do with it. All right, come on, dude. Come on. I believe this is the last load. He's gonna go get the last bale. Just looking. Situations like this are when you come back out around noon and you see like 4 or 5 left out here. All right, Rocket, let's go back. We got all of the bales moved in. Now, being as this what time of year it is, the next snow that we get, I'm gonna guess, is probably gonna stick around. And it's about that time of year. It's finally December, and I mean, I've had plenty of Christmases where we haven't had any snow, but I think this is gonna be one year where we actually have a decent amount of snow early on. So with that, that should be about it for this video. Be sure to stay tuned for what else is going on around the farm. With that, I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time.